Hi guys, I hope you had a wonderful weekend and I want to show you how to do this makeup eye look. So let's go. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with some concealer and then setting it with some clear powder. So the palette I'm going to be using for this look is the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just using this like kind of transition shade and blending that into my crease. I'm sorry, I did try to show all the shades, but it didn't really show up. I kind of showed it off the frame of the video, so I'm sorry for that. Then I'm taking a darker color and blending that into the outer part of my crease to deepen it up a little bit. This is not too extreme look, so it's good for the daytime, but it's still more glammed up. So now I'm just taking the orange shade and putting that all over my eyelid. And then after that I'm going to take the slightly more red shade and putting that on the outer V and the inner V of my eye, and also at the top of my lid, just to attach the two parts together. I'm taking this brown shade and blending that into my outer V to just darken it up a little bit, but I'm only taking a little bit, so it's very subtle, but it just adds a bit of dimension to the look. So then I take my concealer and I put that in the middle of my eyelid, and then just with a flat concealer brush, and then I just blend that out, set it with some more powder. Um, and then I put this shimmer red shade on it, and then I blend that out. And then on top of that I take this glittery kind of yeah, you see the shade, it's kind of like rose gold shade, and I put that on the middle of my eye. And then I take the red color and kind of put that at the top of my eyelid to make it blend in a little bit more. And then I just blend the whole shimmer in a little bit, and then I put a glitter on the inner corner of my eye. Then I put the orange shade on the lower lash line, and then the red one on the inner part of the lash, no, the outer part. And then I blended that in, and then I cleared it all up, made it sharper by yeah, you see what I'm doing. Then I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I hope you found this helpful. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment what you want to see next, and like and subscribe. I want to aim to get, I'm hoping 10 subscribers at the end, by the end of the month. I don't know, I feel like I'm not that interesting, so I'm no one's gonna want to subscribe to me, but please, you'd make my day. I love you. Bye.